Good morning, children. How are you? Children, I hope all of you are fine at home. In our last class, children, started what? Exercise 4.2. And I explained you question number 1. So, this question number 1, children, we have done subtract the following without regrouping. Okay? So, these questions were very simple. I hope all of you have done in the book. Okay. Now children, today we will start question number 2 of exercise 4.2. So our question number 2, children, subtract the following with regrouping. Okay. So here children, again we will see the top number is not bigger than the bottom number, then we will borrow. Okay. So ones digit will borrow from the tens digit, tens digit will borrow from the hundreds digit, and hundredth digit will borrow from the thousandth digit. Let's start, children. So our question number 2A. There are, children, 4 place values, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now we have to subtract 5,725 and 3,287. Okay. Now children, you just look here. Under the ones column, we have to subtract 7 from 5. Now 5 is smaller than 7 now. So what we will do? Yes, this ones digit will borrow from the tens digit. So 5 will borrow from 2. So 2 becomes what? 1, and this 5 becomes 15. Now you have to subtract 15 and 7. So better after 7 you start counting till 15. It will be easier. So after 7 you start 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? Yes, 8 now. So write here 8. Now children, under the tens column, you have to subtract 8 from 1. Is it possible? No. Because 1 is smaller than 8. So 1 will borrow from 7. 107 becomes 6. And this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 3. So you write here 3. Now under the hundreds column, you have to subtract 6 and 2. So 6 minus 2, you can do it orally. Yes, 6 minus 2 is 4. So write here 4. We don't need to borrow because 6 is bigger than 2. Now under the thousands column, again you see, we have to subtract 5 and 3. Again 5 is bigger than 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer is, our difference is 2438. I hope it's clear. Okay. Now children, we will solve our next question, that is number C. Okay. In question number C, children, you have to subtract 7,625 and 5,079. Now again start from the ones place. Under the ones place, you have to subtract 9 from 5. Is it possible? No, because 5 is smaller than 9 now. So what we will do? 5 will borrow from this 2. Clear? So what will happen? 2 becomes 1 and this 5 becomes 15. Now you have to subtract 15 and 9. So after 9 you start counting till 15. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 6. So you write here 6. Now we subtract under the tens column 7 from 1. Now is it possible? No. Because 1 is smaller than 7. So again what we will do? 1 will borrow from this 6. So 6 becomes what? Yes, 5. And this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 7. Start counting after 7 till this 11. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 4. So you write here 4. Clear? Now under the hundreds column, you have to subtract this 5 and 0. So we can do it now, 5 minus 0, because 5 is bigger than 0. So no need to borrow. So 5 minus 0 is 5. As you know, when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the digit itself, no? So 5 minus 0 is 5. Now, under the thousands column, we will subtract 7 and 5. So 7 minus 5, tell me, you can do it orally. 7 minus 5 is 2. So our difference is 2546. Clear? Now we move to our next question. We will do the next question. Children, now we will do question number E. Okay? Let's see in your book. We have to subtract 4685 and 1978. Let's start. Okay. Question number 2, E number. So write here question 4685 and you have to subtract 1978. Now again start with the ones digit 2. Under the ones column, again you will subtract 8 from 5. Okay? 5 is smaller than 8 now. So we cannot subtract. So 5 will borrow from this 8. So it becomes what? 7. And this 5 becomes 15. Now we will do 15 minus 8. So after 8 you start counting till 15. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 7. So you write here 7. Now under the tens column, you have to subtract 7 minus 7. So as we are subtracting the same digit, 7 minus 7, so our difference will be 0. So write here 0. Now see under the hundreds column, children, you have to subtract 9 from 6. 6 is smaller than 9. So 6 will borrow from 4. So what will happen? 4 becomes 3 and this 6 becomes 16. Now 16 minus 9. After 9 you start counting till 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 7. So write here 7. Under the thousands column, 3 minus 1. Tell me 3 minus 1? 2. So answer will be 2707. Our difference is 2707. I hope you are getting, children. You have to practice all these sums at home. Now move to the next question. Tell me the next question. Suppose I am taking question number F. In question number F, children, we have to subtract 6797 and 4819. Let's write the question. Right here 6797, 4819. Now start from the ones column. Under the ones column you have to subtract 9 from 7. 7 is smaller than 9. We cannot subtract now. So 7 will borrow from 9. So what will happen? 9 becomes 8 and 7 becomes 17. Now 17 minus 9. So after 9 you start counting till 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many figures? 8. So write here 8. Now under the tens column, you have to subtract 1 from 8. Now tell me 8 is bigger than 1 now? Yes. So we can subtract 8 minus 1. No need to borrow. 8 minus 1, difference is 7. Write here 7. Okay. Now come under the hundreds column. Here you have to subtract 8 from 7. Now 7 is smaller than this 8. So 7 will borrow from 6. So 6 becomes 5 and this 7 becomes 17. Now 17 minus 8. Start counting after 8 till 17. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers? 9. Right here, 9. Okay. Now under the thousands column, you have to subtract 5 and 4. 5 minus 4, yes, it is 1. So our difference is 1978. Clear? Children, now let's take one more question. Suppose I am doing the question number I. Okay? In question number I, children, you have to subtract 3849 and 1957. Let's write the question. All the sums, children, you will do in the book also. In your notebook also you will solve, and in the book also you will solve, because it needs practice. Okay. So in our question number I, children, our number is 3849 and subtract 1957. Okay. Let's start. Under the ones column you have to do now. So under the ones column you have to subtract 9 and 7. 9 is greater than 7. The top number is bigger now. So we don't need to borrow. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Right here, 2. Okay. Under the tens column, you have to subtract 5 from 4. So 4 is smaller than 5. Top number is smaller. So we need to borrow. 4 will borrow from this 8. 8 becomes 7. This 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 5. After 5 you start counting till 14. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 9. So right here, 9. Now you have to subtract 9 from 7. 7 is smaller than this 9. So we need to borrow. 3 becomes what? 2. And this 7 becomes 17. Now you will subtract 17 minus 9. After 9 you start counting till 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers? 8. So right here, 8. Under the thousands column you have to subtract 2 and 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Our difference is 1892. Clear? Rest questions, children, which we have not done here in the class, you will do in your notebook. Okay? As a homework. You try to solve all the questions. Okay? And solve in the book also. Because subtraction needs practice. Okay? You just borrow the digits. Ones digit will borrow from the tens digit. Tens digit will borrow from the hundreds digit. And hundreds digit will borrow from the thousands digit. Okay? Take your time. Do it carefully. In our next video, children, I will discuss rest of the questions also. But till then, thank you. Have a nice day, children.